In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0 missing error, a common issue that can be quite frustrating, but fortunately is easily resolvable in just a few minutes. If you're encountering this error, it typically means that there's a problem with a component of the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, which is crucial for running applications developed with Visual Studio. Let's dive into the steps to get this sorted out. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft website. This is essential because downloading files from legitimate sources ensures that you get the correct software without any malware or unwanted complications. Once you're there, you'll be searching for the Visual C++ redistributable package suitable for Visual Studio versions 2018 and 2018, 2018, 21, and 22. Since these redistributables share the same binary files, downloading the most recent version should help fix the missing DLL error across different applications. Now look for the download page specifically for the Visual C++ redistributable. Here's an important tip. Make sure you download the correct file for your system. If you're not sure whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, you can check this by going into your system settings or right-clicking on this PC or my computer and selecting Properties. Once you're sure about your system type, proceed to download the appropriate file. Choose vcoiredist x64.exe if you're running a 64-bit version of Windows. Conversely, if your system is 32-bit, go with vcoiredist x86.exe. Selecting the correct executable is crucial for the installation to work correctly. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where the file has been saved, usually your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to run it. You'll be prompted to accept the Microsoft license terms. Go ahead and check that box without any hesitation. After accepting the terms, click on that lovely Install button. The installation process should be fairly straightforward and won't require much of your time. Just a couple of minutes, really. After the installation is complete, a restart is necessary for the changes to take effect. So go ahead and restart your computer to ensure everything is set up correctly. When your system starts back up, try running the application that was showing the DLL error. You should find that the problem is now resolved, and there you have it. That's all it takes to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0 missing error. Hopefully this guide was easy to follow, and you're back to working with the applications you need. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.